Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. India's largest domestic institutional investor, LIC, has seen the value of its portfolio rise by rupees 1.8 lakh crores as the market has recovered significantly from the lows touched in April 2025. On 7th April 2025, LIC's equity portfolio was rupees 13.65 lakh crores when the market hit its recent low. Now, as on 16th May, LIC's equity portfolio is valued at around 15.43 lakh crores. LIC holds stake in around 203 companies. It was valued at around 16.63 lakh crores as of September 30th, 2024. So compared to September 2024 value, LIC's equity portfolio is still down 7% currently. Compared to September end, Nifty 50's index is down around 4.5% from the highest point. The calculation in LIC's portfolio is done as per stocks where it has more than 1% stake as per shareholding data as on March 31st, 2025. LIC's top equity holding in terms of value is Reliance Industries, and it is one of the biggest contributors to the recent rise in the LIC's value. The stock has gone up by more than 25% from the low, and it has contributed to 26,515 crores of additional value for LIC stocks. In terms of percentage, LIC holds highest stake in ITC. It has contributed 5,759 crore in value addition. LIC holds 15.52% stake in ITC as on March 2025 quarter. A significant part of the appreciation came from more than 25% rally in the share prices of Mahindra, 5,801 crores of additional value for LIC's portfolio from the low, and Adani Ports 5,192 crores increase, Tech Mahindra 3,267 crores, Jio Financial Services 2,472 crores, HAL 2,036 crores, Tata Motors 1,750 crores, and BEL 1,268 additional value contribution to LIC's stock portfolio. These stocks have accounted for 12% of LIC's total value appreciation. Top 10 public sector undertakings contributed 14,989 crores in LIC's portfolio value rise. Defense sector stocks HAL, BEL, Bharat Dynamics, and Cochin Shipyard have appreciated between 28 to 52% between 7th April and 16th May. In spite of LIC's investments doing well, its stock has been underperforming for 3 years since listing on stock markets. It was listed in May 2022 at around 875 rupees, and the issue price was 904 rupees after the discount for retail investors. The actual issue price was 949. Between May 2022 and December 2023, it broadly traded in the range of 550 to 700 rupees. But by July 2024, it rallied to a new high of 1222, and from then it has been on a gradual downtrend and is currently around 860 per share. So, even after 3 years of holding, the returns for shareholders is negative. Although we had made a video about the LIC IPO highlighting many issues, many people who have applied for the IPO have got stuck in it right now. As per reports, the government is planning to sell a 6.5% stake in LIC in multiple small tranches over the next 2 years. This move is a broader effort to launch a series of share sales in central public sector enterprises during the current financial year, aimed at complying with SEBI's minimum public shareholding requirement. Minimum public shareholding rules state that all publicly listed companies must maintain a minimum of 25% public shareholding. This rule ensures that a certain percentage of the company's shares are held by non-promoter shareholders, effectively increasing public access and participation in the company's ownership. Most central public sector enterprises have now met the minimum public shareholding mandate, but many PSUs have still not followed the rules. The sale of LIC shares will be conducted in small portions to accommodate market liquidity and ensure that small investors have a fair opportunity to participate. Based on the current market price, selling a 6.5% stake in LIC could generate approximately 35,256 crores for the government. The sale of LIC shares could result in more supply in the market and may keep them under some pressure. We need to see the effect on the share price movement when the share sale happens by the government. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you own LIC shares? If yes, type yes, otherwise type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.